In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from one Google Sheets document to another. This can be particularly helpful when you have large sets of data in different sheets and need them combined in one place for analysis or reporting. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheets document where you wish to import the data. Ensure that you have access to this document and that you're ready to make changes. If you don't already have a Google Sheet open, head over to Google Sheets through your browser and create a new one, or open an existing file. Once you're in your Google Sheets document, the next step is to select a cell where you want the data to appear. You can do this simply by clicking on the desired cell. It's often a good idea to start at a blank section of your spreadsheet to avoid overwriting any existing data that you might need later. Now you're ready to use the import range function, which is the magic behind this process. You'll type the formula directly into the cell you selected. Here's how it goes. Type an equals sign, followed by import range. You'll then need to specify two things: the URL of the Google Sheet you want to pull data from, and the range of cells you're interested in. For example, you might type import range 1y ymgppgn vis vi53 JA4 BIN8 TNRBU70HI M6DEEHUP5A A1 D21. Make sure you use the quotation marks exactly as shown around both the document ID and the range. The document ID can be found in the URL of the Google Sheet you wish to import data from. After inputting the formula, you'll see a prompt with an error message. Don't worry, this is normal, and it just means you need to grant permission for data access. There will be a little yellow icon or message that appears, indicating you need to allow access. Simply click this prompt that says, "Allow access." This step is crucial as it authorizes Google Sheets to access the data from the other file. Now that you've allowed access, your data will begin to populate in the cell where you typed the formula, extending to fill the range you designated. And that's it. You've successfully imported data from one Google Sheet into another. This method is dynamic, meaning if the data changes in the source sheet, it will automatically update in your destination sheet as well. Remember, this function is not only powerful, but also requires attention to sharing permissions. Both sheets must be available to you, and in some cases, you may need to ensure that the document settings allow access from another file. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow in Google Sheets.